What's going on, you guys? It is your boy Jigsaw here, and today I'm going to reaction of Working with Jigsaw. I did so one of Living with Jigsaw, and now I'm going to look at another one. It's called Working with Jigsaw. So I'm going to react to another. The first one was so funny. I hope that this one will be funny also. So if you want to see this clip, it's in the link description down below. So let's take a look at this. My reaction starts in 3, 2, 1.
So, what's it like working with Jigsaw?
Not as cool as we thought it would be.
May I ask you what your bill is now? Yes, I can see what I can do to lower that number. I want to make you happy.
Hey, Janine.
Yes,
Janine.
I would be happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very sorry. What?
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to go home on time, so...
Your computer has been infected with a holographic virus.
What?
Exactly 25 seconds, Jeff, the hot IT guy who you totally have a crush on, will arrive at your desk to fix it. You must close all 517 pop-ups using the office's deadliest computer. The clock is ticking, Janine. Make your choice.
Thank you guys very much. I wasn't expecting that.
That was
Frosting on
funny.
Dan's birthday cake contains 29 tablespoons of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic, meaningless life.
What did he say?
Yo.
Hold the elevator, please. Please, please, please. Hold the elevator. Hold it, please. Hold it.
Just hold it.
Keep holding. Hold on. Just hold it. Just hold some more. Hold it. Hold it. Please. Hold for one more. Don't be rude, guys. Don't be rude. Nearly there. Nearly there.
Yo.
Nearly there. The door's closed. Just hold. Okay. Look, one sec. Just one sec. You're all very polite. I just need to. Yep. There we go.
Get that?
Got it, Steve.
Yo. I put all the numbers.
We've been monitoring office productivity, and as you can see from this research, when your games increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
It'd be different if your games had some sort of work-related theme, like team building or workplace synergy.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Look,
sure.
all we're asking is that you just, tone it down a little, just till corporate gets off our back, okay? What do you think?
Yeah, it's
Oh my god.
all of your legs have been chained together at the ankles. The keys to your shackles
See, that's the
have
kind
been...
of thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon under your chair. It's gonna be tough.
Yo. This was more funnier. This was funny. The Living with Jigsaw, it was funny, but this was more funnier. This one was good. I gotta say, this was very, very good video. I just hope that they keep doing more of the Jigsaw. That was hilarious, folks. That was so funny. Well, that's all my reaction for today. So like, subscribe. Thank you so much. And please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's in a link below. You just click and follow me, please. Post comment down below. What do you think of this? This was funny. If you don't think it's funny, then get the fuck out. So, thank you so much and take care. Y'all have a blessed night. 20,000 subscribers. Peace.